In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up password manager access for your virtual assistant. If you're looking to keep your account secure while providing your VA with the right access, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because I'll also show you how to choose the best password manager for this task and provide you with a free trial exclusively for my viewers. So, first things first, why is setting up password manager access for your virtual assistant so important? It's all about security. You need to protect sensitive information while ensuring your VA can access what they need. Instead of sharing passwords directly, a password manager gives you control and peace of mind. Now, let's get into the process. Step 1. Choose the right password manager. There are a lot of options out there, but the software we'll be using today is reliable and secure, making it easy to manage access for multiple users. I'll give you a link to a free trial below so you can follow along and get started. Once you've signed up for the software, the next step is to create a vault. This vault is where you'll store all the passwords your virtual assistant needs access to. It's like a secure, organized digital safe. You'll want to make sure your vault is properly encrypted, and this software does all that automatically for you. Next, it's time to add your virtual assistant to the vault. You'll go into the password manager's settings and find the option for adding a new user or team member. Simply enter your VA's email address and they'll receive an invitation to join your vault. Make sure to set the correct permissions, what you want to give them access to and what you don't. You can also assign them a master password, which is a level of security to ensure only they can access the passwords you share. Once they've accepted the invite, they'll be able to log in and see only the passwords you've shared with them. No need to worry about exposing anything you want to keep private. You can also set up additional layers of security, like two-factor authentication, to make sure everything stays locked down. If you're concerned about managing access over time, many password managers allow you to easily revoke or update permissions. So if you need to remove access or change what they can view, it's all manageable with just a few clicks. One final tip. Make sure to periodically review the shared passwords and adjust who has access. You want to be sure that only the right people can access the important data. Key takeaway. Setting up password manager access for your virtual assistant is simple but crucial for keeping your sensitive data secure. You get control over what they can see, and they get easy access to the passwords they need to do their job efficiently. Don't forget to review and adjust access regularly to keep things safe. Before I wrap up, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below. This software is the one I trust for managing access, and you can follow along with the tutorial. Thanks for watching, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.